In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Shopify to Etsy. Whether you're expanding your business or just starting to navigate the exciting world of online marketplaces, transferring products between these two platforms can simplify your selling process and help reach a wider audience. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward guide. Firstly, you'll need to ensure that all the products you want to transfer from Shopify are listed correctly. Double-check that your listings are complete with accurate titles, descriptions, pricing, and images before we make the move. This thoroughness will prevent any hiccups during the import process and ensure your products appear professional and appealing once they're on Etsy. Once your Shopify listings are ready, head over to your Shopify account dashboard. From here, you'll want to export your product data. You can do this by selecting the Export option on the Products page. Be sure to choose to export all products or just the current page, depending on your needs. Opt for the CSV file format, since Etsy requires it for importing. With your CSV file at the ready, it's time to shift over to your Etsy Shop Manager. Navigate to the Listings section, where you'll find the Import option. Etsy has a built-in feature for importing products directly via CSV files, which will make this transition a breeze. Now, upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Shopify. Etsy provides a guided import wizard to assist you through this part of the process. Pay attention to the specific requirements for imported product listings on Etsy, such as character limits for titles and descriptions, as well as any category restrictions. You might need to tweak some of your data manually to comply with Etsy's standards. After the file upload is complete, you'll want to review the imported listings within Etsy. This is your chance to fine-tune details, ensuring that each listing aligns perfectly with Etsy's format. This includes checking category assignments, product variations, and SEO optimization of your titles and tags to ensure maximum visibility within Etsy's search results. It's essential to know that Etsy might not support the exact same listing layout you used on Shopify. Adjustments may be needed, especially in terms of image ratios and custom product attributes. So, take this time to polish up each listing as needed. Finally, don't forget to activate your listings. Until you do this, the products won't actually show up in your Etsy shop. Look over everything one last time to ensure accuracy and consistency. Once you're satisfied, hit that Publish button and watch as your listings go live on Etsy. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your products from Shopify to Etsy. This process, while straightforward, can significantly enhance your business reach, allowing you to tap into the vibrant and creative community that Etsy offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy selling!